Up next, viewers, we're tracking a breaking development with respect to the Uttarakhand crisis, where Harish Rawat has now come down very heavily on the Congress leader Manish Tiwari. Now referring to Captain Amrinder Singh, Rawat said that Manish Tiwari is in fact following the footsteps of his master. We have seen the kind of crisis that had been going on with respect to Uttarakhand, and Harish Rawat had made those several statements about not being happy with the party, and now Rawat in fact has said that Manish Tiwari in fact is following in the footsteps of his master, taking a dig at the entire party as well. Earlier we had seen how Manish Tiwari had tweeted out in a sarcastic manner referring to Harish Rawat as well. Let's first listen in to several reactions that are coming in on this story.
कैप्टन साहब को कन्वे कर दीजिए। उन्होंने कहा शुभकामनाएं, तो मैं उनकी शुभकामनाएं लेकर के जा रहा हूं। इसका मतलब है अब भी कहीं पर वो महसूस करते हैं कि कांग्रेस छोड़ करके उन्होंने गलती की। रहा मनीष का सवाल, मनीष तो हिज मास्टर वॉइस हैं, कैप्टन कहलवा रहे हैं, जैसे कैप्टन का एक्शन जो है हिज मास्टर के कंट्रोल पे है, वो कोई और मास्टर है, तो वैसे ही मनीष जो है हिज मास्टर वॉइस हैं। यदि वो स्वतंत्र तौर पर सोचेंगे तो कहेंगे कि भाई साहब जो पंजाब में आपने किया वो कांग्रेस दी वास्ते चंगा है।
Now on this big political story that we're tracking, viewers, I'm also being joined by Shehzad Poonewala, the BJP spokesperson here on the broadcast. Shehzad, what do you make of these statements now that are being made with respect to all of these political leaders taking a dig at each other, first Manish Tiwari and now Harish Rawat?
You know, it's very unfortunate that each day that we see Congress party is only fighting the Congress party, whether it is in Rajasthan, whether it is in Punjab, whether it is in Uttarakhand, whether it is in Maharashtra, in Uttar Pradesh. So if Congress is only going to fight the Congress, people are asking how can we vote for a party that can't keep itself united? And this attack that has been made, I mean, if Mr. Manish Tiwari's loyalty is questionable, then why is he still the MP of the Congress party? The Congress party should take action on him. But if not, then this is an insult to Mr. Tiwari, who has also lost a family member to Khalistani terrorists, and to humiliate a member of parliament. This has become the culture of the Congress. I think Mr. Harish Rawat has been instructed by Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi perhaps to insult all those people who have a nationalistic point of view.
Well, yes, Shehzad, also that now this reference has also been made to Captain Amrinder Singh, citing the Punjab crisis as well. And as you pointed out, that this is not a one-state problem that the Congress is facing, but it is in a lot of states, and now in Uttarakhand as well, and in all of the states where elections are due very soon.
You see, कांग्रेस पार्टी की समस्या ये है कि ना नीति है, ना नियत है, ना नेतृत्व है, और इसलिए आज आप देख सकते हैं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में हर जगह केवल और केवल मेरा क्या और मेरा क्या नहीं होता है पूरा, तो मुझे क्या. And this is the reason why Congress party is fighting Congress party in all these states that you mentioned. Now, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, unfortunately, they have no control over the party, and they have become the liabilities, and therefore leaders are also fighting their own personalized battles. But once again, if this is not what the Congress party leadership feels about Manish Tiwari, then they should take action on Harish Rawat. Or if they feel that what Harish Rawat is saying, that Manish Tiwari's master is Captain Amrinder Singh, then why is Mr. Manish Tiwari still in the Congress party? That only the Congress party leadership can tell us.
Well, yes, Shehzad Poonewala there, the BJP spokesperson, breaking down the entire political development with respect to these statements now being made by several political leaders, including Harish Rawat in the latest. Let's listen in once again what Rawat had to actually say.
कैप्टन साहब को कन्वे कर दीजिए। उन्होंने कहा शुभकामनाएं, तो मैं उनकी शुभकामनाएं लेकर के जा रहा हूं। इसका मतलब है अब भी कहीं पर वो महसूस करते हैं कि कांग्रेस छोड़ करके उन्होंने गलती की। रहा मनीष का सवाल, मनीष तो हिज मास्टर वॉइस हैं, कैप्टन कहलवा रहे हैं, जैसे कैप्टन का एक्शन जो है हिज मास्टर के कंट्रोल पे है, वो कोई और मास्टर है, तो वैसे ही मनीष जो है हिज मास्टर वॉइस हैं। यदि वो स्वतंत्र तौर पर सोचेंगे तो कहेंगे कि भाई साहब जो पंजाब में आपने किया वो कांग्रेस दी वास्ते चंगा है। कैप्टन साहब को कन्वे कर दीजिए। उन्होंने कहा शुभकामनाएं, तो मैं उनकी शुभकामनाएं लेकर के जा रहा हूँ। इसका मतलब है अब भी कहीं पर वो महसूस करते हैं कि कांग्रेस छोड़ करके उन्होंने गलती की। रहा मनीष का सवाल, मनीष तो हिज मास्टर वॉइस हैं, कैप्टन कहलवा रहे हैं, जैसे कैप्टन का एक्शन जो है हिज मास्टर के कंट्रोल पे है, वो कोई और मास्टर है, तो वैसे ही मनीष जो है हिज मास्टर वॉइस है। यदि वो स्वतंत्र तौर पर सोचेंगे तो कहेंगे कि भाई साहब जो पंजाब में आपने किया वो कांग्रेस दी वास्ते चंगा है।